on sight. Grown men create a crush, nails they buy. This a game, try to catch me, but only if you can. Takes a lot to impress the bombshell to want a man. And it ain't about you though, baby. Evie alright, cause if Evie wanna fly away, Evie take a flight. Evie hungry for a meal, baby. Evie get a bite. Be nice, and you might get to see your daddy side.
Ma, I'm glad that you got it all. It's more for me. Now I gotta pay for the puss I score for free. And the same thing I pulled on them, I pulled on you. Come on now, how you think I pulled your crew?
Good morning, guys. Welcome back to the channel where transparency meets trading. If you're new here, my name is Tiana, and my goal is to share my true and transparent day trading journey. And today, we are doing our first day in the life vlog of a nursing student, which is moi, and a day trader. So today I want to just show you guys what a day in my life looks like and how I manage everything, because I get some questions in the comments from people of how I manage school and trading at the same time. So I'm gonna start doing vlogs, and I feel like that gives you guys an opportunity to get to know me also outside of trading and to get to see what my day-to-day looks like. But anyways, so we got up. It's about 8:30ish, 9ish in the morning. Usually when I wake up, I do my little morning routine, and then I take a look at the charts. So right now we are doing our morning markup. Basically, well, I already did my weekly markups, but basically I'm just looking at the charts and just trying to get an idea of possible setups that I could look for today. Typically, while I'm in school, I try to look at the charts every 30 minutes, like in 30-minute intervals while I'm in class. And if I see something, I'll place a trade while I'm in class or after class or whatever that may be. And if I don't, we're gonna keep it pushing. But today, I think I see a possible setup, so hopefully we get something for today for you guys. But if not, that's just the real. But after I get done doing this, I'm gonna check a couple of emails, and then I sound a little stuffy. The pollen is out. Excuse me. Check a couple of emails, and then we are going to get dressed and head to class. So yeah, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe down below for more content like this, and let me know how you guys feel. Let's get ready.
One touch and make a nigga blush on sight. Grown men create a crush, nails they buy. This a game, try to catch me, but only if you can. Takes a lot to impress the bombshell to want a man. And it ain't about you though, baby. Evie alright, cause if Evie wanna fly away, Evie take a flight. Evie hungry for a meal, baby. Evie get a bite.
Alright, y'all, we are dressed and ready for school. I'm gonna grab me a little sandwich or something quick, because we gotta get the protein and stuff in. And we are gonna be on our way. Get your nice bag. And on top of that, y'all, look what I got. So we're gonna be recording more content in public. And I'm gonna be doing more vlogs to show y'all my everyday life. But just to motivate somebody, look at this, look at this. You did not wake up today to be a weak. Fill it in. I'm trying not to cuss on my vlogs, but you see? So you better wake up every day and make sure you put that work in. And we ain't finna cry about it. I hadn't cried once throughout nursing school, and I don't plan on it yet. We're not gonna let it stress us out. All right, let's go. All right, guys, we are in the car. This man is looking at me because I'm recording right now, which is kind of funny, but I'm getting used to it. I really don't care, because you know what they say: if he look, he took.
God, please.
Okay, but nah, for real. I'm about to go get some gas, and then we're gonna pull up to nursing school. Right now, I think the hardest thing or the hardest challenge for me right now, trading wise, is just managing it on top of school. Now it has had its advantages, because I'm not looking at the charts all day long. I have other things to do, and me not looking at the charts all day long, it forces me to take, you know, those A+ setups, because I don't have time to sit here and watch all day long, and nor do I want to. I personally don't see how people trade full time. I would be bored out of my mind. I'm also a people person. I need to see somebody. Not saying I gotta see people, like I could be a loner too, but like as far as work goes, like I don't think I could do that. Ooh. So yeah, but just managing nursing school, on top of trading. It has been a challenge, but it also has its perks. But I think really the only challenge is you have to be disciplined, and I've been lacking in that area. I'm gonna just keep it real and keep it 100 with you guys. You probably can tell by the inconsistency of posting. I'm just gonna snitch on myself and tell on myself, but I'm trying to do better. So again, it's taught me to, one, be able to time manage, because I have to study, I have to prioritize, because at the end of the day I got to get this degree. But trading isn't something that I would just want to put on the back burner either. So we are simultaneously working on both, and yeah, we're gonna do it. But anyways, I'm gonna let you guys know when I pull up, but more than likely you probably won't see me again until after class, because I'm not really allowed to record inside of my school, and I don't want no issues. I may record a little video inside of class if I end up taking a trade, just to show you guys, but other than that, yeah. So I'm finna get some gas, and I will see y'all after class.
Niggas wanna ride. They'll do anything for a dollar. I could've went to school to be a doctor, but I dropped out and chose to be a baller. Switching lanes, being game in my new drop.
All right, guys, we're out of class. Today was a good class day. We went over cancer, which is a lot in itself, and learning how to take care of cancer patients as a nurse. I don't plan on being a cancer specialized nurse. I want to work in the ICU, but in nursing school they teach you how to be a generalized nurse, so you learn a little bit about everything. But overall, it was a good class. Just have a lot of things that I need to study. But trading wise, I think I tried to insert a clip of the trade that I took in class, and I'll probably insert a clip of it somewhere. I'm gonna insert clips of the trade throughout the video and whatnot. But I took the trade. I got a horrible entry. I just got a horrible entry. I'm gonna be honest with you. One of the things that I am currently struggling with as a trader is trusting myself and trusting my gut and waiting for the market to come to me. I am afraid of losing out on money. I'm afraid of losing out on moves in the market leaving me, and that's just the honest truth. As much as I can say that I'm not, this is something that I'm still struggling with. Like, I have great setups, but on the last trade that I took, which I'm going to show you guys in another video, I ended up losing it because I got in way too early, and I knew in my head that I should have waited, but it was like the fear of missing out on a move trumped the internal feelings and gut feeling motivation that I had to wait on the trade just a little bit longer. And so I'm seeing that a lot in the trades that I am taking through journaling. Journaling is very, very important because you get to see the mistakes that you're making over and over and over again. And I'm honestly tired of making it, so that's something that I really have to work on. But regardless of the fact, the trade does go with my trading plan. We had a break of 30-minute structure, we had a break and recess of trend line, and we had divergence. We had a lot of different things pointing to tell me that the market is about to sell on this particular pair. I think it's GU if I'm correct. And so yeah, we're gonna stay in the trade. We're just gonna see how it play out. Right now I'm in drawdown, but it is what it is, and we're not gonna worry about it. We set the trade, so now we're gonna just go about the rest of our day and let it do what it do. But I'm gonna catch y'all at lunch, and then we're gonna go to the gym. All right, so I'm currently eating, but as you can see, price has come back down to my entry point. Honestly, I had a horrible entry point because you can see right here, price started looking out and coming down, so I got in. That was on me because of my fear of missing out on a push, something I'm still working on. I really should have entered up there and wait until I knew that price was gonna come and touch this trend line, so then I wouldn't be in this predicament. But regardless of the fact, price is now starting to push down. We're getting our lunch in before we head back to class, and then we'll be on our way to the gym after that.
They snatch black, I cry for 100 nights. He got 100 bodies, serving 100 life. He got 100 bodies, serving 100 life. Real hard, whip it real hard. Whip it 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 real hard, whip it real hard.
All right, guys, that was it for our workout. We did back day. It was an all right day. I'm still not used to having a camera in front of everyone, but something I realized while trying to record, don't nobody really give a F. Like, nobody's really paying attention to you. They may look at glance because, of course, like, you're setting up a camera, but after that, nobody really cares. So it's really just in your head, but I'm still getting used to it. And so yeah, it'll probably take a little bit of time, but overall it was an all right day. Now we're about to go back home, shower, get some food, and then we gonna head to a study room. So yeah, the trade still hasn't played out yet. We're still waiting on it, so we'll see how that works out. If I get some profits, I get some. If I don't, oh well. That's part of the game. But all right, I'm gonna catch y'all back at the house.
Yeah, 20 minutes later.
So we are back at home from the gym. I'm just taking a look at the trade that I took this morning. We're still in drawdown, but I'm gonna talk a little bit about why I took the trade so you guys can kind of see my process and my thinking of it. All right, so let's talk about what I saw. As you know, I like to label out my structure so you guys can see exactly what I'm looking at. You can see right here, I have 1 hour structure. Let me go up just a little bit. It's currently going on this uptrend on this trend line. As you can see, it also is diverging, which basically means that price is doing the opposite of what divergence is doing. So for example, price on the chart is going in an uptrend, as you can see here, but on the divergence indicator, or the RSI, it's going down. And so this is just an indication that at some point the sellers in this instance are going to enter the market, but we don't just enter without some type of confirmation or entry. So I was waiting on a break and retest of a trend line, break and retest of a zone of some sort to confirm that we're going to start going to the downside. And so again, as I said, you can see I had this 1 hour structure that's labeled in blue going in an uptrend. Now let's go down. All right, so you can see right here, I have my 30-minute structure. I'm gonna label that in orange for you guys and just give you like a rough look at it going in an uptrend. And price came down, broke that structure, which is why I have this little note right here, break a 30-minute structure, and came back up and retested this trend line. Now, what I did in class, I got in way too early. I should have gotten this trade right here where it actually tested this trend line, but I was being impatient. Again, this is my honest journey. So these are things that I am still struggling with, and following my intuition and not being afraid to miss out on the trade. I saw price. Let me go down to the 15-minute. Right here, you can see that it started going down, and I was afraid that it was just going to blow out the water and keep pushing down. So I went ahead and hopped in. But again, I should have waited until price came and actually tested this trend line. So I would have gotten a way better entry. I probably wouldn't be in much drawdown as I am, but it is what it is. So right now we are just actively just waiting on this trade to play out. So again, like I said, ooh, and it looks like it's moving right now as we're looking at it. What time is it? Oh, it's 4:55. Yeah, price usually likes to move around. Right now, the market is technically closed and opened back up at 5 my time. I'm in Central Standard Time. The market closes for 1 hour a day, which basically means you can't place trades or do anything. But like I said, you had a break of this 30-minute structure, a retest of this blue trend line that I had for this 1 hour structure, and also you had a break of this nice pretty zone right here. Sometimes price can pull back past the zone just a little deeper than you expect, depending on if there are other things there, such as this trend line that it wants to retest. But overall, I'm pretty confident in the trade to hold it. I have my, let me move this up so you guys can basically see. I have my fib level placed, so price pulled back to the 23.6. If it doesn't pull back anymore, then I'm expecting price to push to TP1, and that's ultimately where I'm going to get out. Yeah, I had to pull down here originally to the bottom of this candle. But again, we gonna see what price does. We're in drawdown right now. The trade follows my trading plan. Yes, I did get in too early, but overall, it follows what I'm looking for in the market. So now we're gonna hop in the shower, get us some food, and go to a study room to continue studying for nursing school. But all right. All right, so we are in the study room. The plan is to make that study guide and get that done tonight so that I can study Friday and Saturday. Trading isn't just about, and I'm talking quiet because there's other study rooms next to me, but trading isn't just about what you do on the charts. It's also about what you do outside of the charts. Are you disciplined in your everyday life? Are you disciplined in the gym, setting schedules? So that's something that I'm really trying to be intentional about, because I feel like that's going to help me in trading. One of my biggest issues that I have right now is not getting up on time. That not getting up on time leads to me being behind, and it just snowballs into a whole plethora of other things. And so for this next 2 months that we have left in school, that's my goal, to be disciplined in the gym, disciplined with my studies, and also kind of romanticizing it, making it something that I enjoy and that I'm not miserable doing all the time, making sure that I'm taking breaks and also taking breaks away from the charts. So yeah, we're gonna get that done. And then again, while studying, if anything happens with the trade, I'll post it on the video, let you guys know. But yeah, let's get that work in, guys. All right, guys, it is 12 o'clock at night. I got some more work done. Nursing school wise, I about finished my study guide, but so I was waiting for the trade to play out, and we hit our TP right there at that negative 27.0%. I went ahead and got out of the trade because I'm following my trading plan on this one. I don't have time. I already got a horrible entry. I'm gonna take what the market gave me because it didn't have to give me back that. But yeah, guys, I'm going to end this vlog here. I think it's a good stopping point. Overall, we had a great productive day. We went to class, went to the gym, got some studying in, and we placed a trade. You guys got to see what a day in my life as a nursing student and a day trader looks like. So yeah, all my days are not like this. Honestly, this was one of the most productive days that I've had in a while, and I'm glad I was able to capture it for you guys. But my goal is to have more days like these, and honestly, I think recording my journey helps me stay disciplined and also just shows my true realistic journey again. Now, every day is not like this. I don't always win trades every single day. I don't always take trades every single day. This is my first trade that I've taken since March 11th, and it's March 21st. The first trade of this month, I lost it, and this is the trade that I won. That's just a reality. I didn't like the way the markets were moving. I didn't see anything conducive for me. And even when there was something conducive, I probably missed it because I was in class and I wasn't going to chase the market. But yeah, I got some videos that I want to put out for you guys. But let me know if you guys like this or this style of video. I hope it encouraged someone, helped someone. And again, yeah, that's a good way to end the night. So we're going to get some good sleep, and then tomorrow we'll start it all back up. But I won't be trading for the rest of the week. I'll just be studying and working on stuff for school and some content for you guys. But
that's it. That's all for this video. Remember to subscribe, like, and comment down below. Again, let me know how you guys feel about this type of content. But to be honest, if you don't like it, I'm still gonna make it anyway. Because I like it. I like documenting this journey. But all right, that's it. That's all. Stay blessed up.